In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete transaction history in PayPal, step by step. Right up front, it's important to know that PayPal does not allow you to delete transaction history. Those records are kept for legal, regulatory, and financial auditing reasons, and there isn't a setting or support request that can erase them. That said, there are a couple of practical options that get you as close as possible to a cleaner view: archiving or hiding individual transactions, and, as a last resort, closing your account. I'll walk you through both so you can choose what fits your situation. If your goal is simply to tidy up what you see on your main activity page, archiving is the best approach. Start by logging into your PayPal account. Once you're in, head to the Activity section where you can see your list of transactions. Select the transaction you don't want to see on the main list. Look for an option labeled Archive or Hide. The exact wording can vary, and it might not appear in every region or on every interface. When you choose Archive or Hide, that transaction is removed from your primary activity view, which makes it much easier to focus on the items you care about. Keep in mind, archiving does not delete or alter the transaction. It remains in PayPal's records and can still be referenced for things like refunds, disputes, or your own bookkeeping. Think of it like putting a document in a filing cabinet instead of leaving it on your desk. If you're considering a more drastic reset, closing your PayPal account is the final option. Before you do anything else, withdraw any remaining balance so your funds are safely in your bank. Next, make sure you've resolved any open disputes or account limitations, because unresolved issues can block closure. When everything is clear, go to your account settings and choose Close Account. Follow the prompts to confirm. Even after closure, understand that PayPal may still retain your records internally to comply with laws and regulations. Closing the account stops future use, but it does not erase historical transactions from PayPal's systems. To recap, you can't delete PayPal transaction history, but you can improve what you see. Use Archive or Hide to clean up your activity view without affecting your records. And if you truly need to step away, close the account only after withdrawing funds and resolving any issues. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you manage your PayPal activity with confidence.